Hey you guys, good morning. It is 7:30 in the morning. It is super early, but I have a very busy day today, so I just figured I'd have you guys sit down and get ready with me. I know I've been doing a ton of get ready with me's lately, but that's just mostly because I've been so busy that I haven't even had the chance to even breathe, let alone come up with any sort of more interesting video concepts, and vlogging has been kind of difficult, though I'm hoping I can vlog this weekend for you guys. But anyway, today I'm just doing a very simple look. As you can see, our friend is back. That spot that would not clear up, he came back. I'm pulling out the hard stuff on this one. I've been trying to treat it nice and naturally and just let it do its thing, but I'm gonna have to bring out some of the tougher products on this to make it go away once and for all. And I have some breakouts on my forehead and my chin, so really today I'm just working on making my skin look a little bit fresher, and then I'm going really light on the rest of my makeup because it's going to be hot. It was like supposed to only be 85 yesterday. It was 90. Today it's supposed to be 90, which probably means it's going to be like 95. So I am not playing with a ton of makeup today. So today I'm actually trying a new to me foundation. This is the Tarte Foundcealer. I've been dying to try this, and thankfully I got it in a Sephora play box just because I'm kind of bored with a lot of my foundations. So we're going to try this today. Hopefully it's a color match. I think it's going to be either a little yellow or a little light, but we'll see. And I'm just going in with a Real Technique sponge. And actually, it's not too bad. Okay. So I know this is supposed to have a dewy finish, which I really like. And yeah, it looks like, I wouldn't say it's a super dewy finish, more of a satin finish from the way it's sitting on my skin so far. There's a crow outside that is very chatty this morning. Apparently he thinks his opinion needs to be heard because he is loud. So I have become completely obsessed with playing the new BTS World game. I am already level 10 or 11. Did I hit 11 last night? I can't remember. But if you guys have been playing that game, go and follow me on Twitter because I've been posting my friend code on there. And I also need to get my Wizards Unite friend code on there. So go ahead and send me your friend codes for BTS World and Wizards Unite, and I will go ahead and friend you guys on those games because I am going to be playing a lot this weekend. There are some local events, so I'm going to be spending some time at those, and they are all in parks that have inns, and lots of inns. Okay, I'm actually liking the way that's sitting on my skin a lot. My only concern is how it will hold up in the heat today. Yesterday I wore my e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation, and it could not handle the heat. Even with having it set, it broke apart pretty badly, actually. I was kind of surprised. One of the absolute biggest tests for foundation for me is how it performs in Ohio heat and humidity, because our heat and humidity gets way worse than you would actually think. We've even got like air quality warnings and fun stuff like that going on today. I'm going to go ahead and set everything today with my MAC Mineralize skin finish because it is going to be crazy hot, and I still don't have air conditioning in my car. I haven't had the time to get that fixed yet, mostly because I don't like being without my car for a couple weeks, and all the garages around here, if you need your car fixed, they're like, okay, well, you can bring it in and that'll take us a week to get to it, but it has to be in the shop for that time. So your car has to like literally just freaking sit there. And then they don't offer like borrowable cars while your car is stuck in the shop. And I'm not renting a car for like 2 weeks because that's crazy. So my husband does all the repair work on our vehicles. He's been doing it for years and he's so, so good at it. But that also means that I have to wait until he is not busy to do the repair work on those vehicles. And I've been waiting a while on that one. So for my eyes today, I'm just going in with the Naked Reloaded palette because I'm really not doing much of a eye look at all. I'm just going to take this shade right here, Blur. Pop that into my crease and work it up. This is kind of like my basic base for like everything. And apparently I still have a peachy color on this brush. I need to wash my brushes. And then just take that same color and swipe it on my lids. And then I'm taking a tiny little brush and going into Bribe. And doing a very natural highlight on that inner corner. And then taking Bribe underneath the lower part of my eye, just on like the first third to brighten that up. I'm going to curl my lashes really quick. I told you we're keeping the eye super simple today. I almost always put something on my lids because I prefer just having a little bit of contouring there, if nothing else. And I'm going in with my Revlon Volumazing Mascara. And for brows today, I'm actually keeping it really, really simple. I'm using my Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit in the shade 3. I really, really like this brow pencil for quick fill-in days when I just want my brows filled in, but I don't want them super sharp or detailed. I mean, you can get them pretty sharp and detailed with this, but I kind of like using this just as a soft fill-in. See, it can give a really, really natural look really fast. Sorry if I sound really tired, guys. I am. We've had some life changes lately, so I'm adjusting to a very, very different schedule. And it's requiring even more coffee. And hear how loud that is. I barely drank any coffee yet this morning. So I'm definitely dragging a bit. All right, I'm going to brush at the front of those brows again just to soften them up a bit. And I'm going in with my Anastasia brow gel. I pretty much use this no matter what brow product I use that day. All right, I'm going to bronze up my skin a little bit. I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Oh, can you guys believe my roots are growing in already? That's insane. My hair went through a period where it was growing so slow and like falling out constantly, and now it's actually starting to grow at like a normal human rate. So I'm super, super excited, and hopefully that means that the fallout of my hair has ceased and I will actually have like hair growth, because that's like a good almost a quarter inch in like a week, which is actually a little fast, but that's because of the heat. Your hair actually grows faster when it's hot out. Face is bronzed. I think, do I want to do a blush today even? Yeah, we'll go in with a little bit of this. This is Tarte's Fearless. I just want, this is like super, super pink. So I just want a teensy bit. When I only want a little bit of blush, I just like do that and tap it. And then you get like the very lightest amount on your brush, and that really helps control it. So if you use like the Tarte blushes and have had difficulty working with the pigmentation, try that and make sure you're using a really soft, fluffy brush, whether it's big or small, and that will help. Just enough to kind of balance out the contour of it. And for highlight today, I'm going in with one of my all-time favorites. This is the Smashbox Spotlight Palette in Pearl. And I'm going to grab this first shade here for my nose and my Cupid's bow, because this is like the least sparkly one, and then this middle shade for my cheekbones. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. All right, we are almost done. I just have to pick out a lip color, and I think today I'm wearing one of my favorite pink combos. I'm wearing the NYX Butter Lipstick in Sweet Tart. I know I have 500 lipsticks, and I wear the same thing like all the time. I'm just putting this right in the middle. And then I'm going to top it with this gloss. This is the Sephora Ultra Shine Lip Gel in Pinup Pink. And I just take my finger and just blend out the edges a bit. And to finish this off, I'm topping it with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I did not use any setting spray yesterday. My face fell apart, so we are going to use setting spray today, and hopefully my face will stay in one piece. Have I mentioned I really need to order one of the little handheld fans? I have it like on my Amazon list. I just need to order one. I just want a really, really cute one. Anyway, you guys, this is the final look. It is just focused on smoothing out the skin, adding a bit of life to my eyes, making me look more awake. This is really, really good for everyday errand running. It's good for light makeup when you're going to like sporting events during the summer, anywhere where you're going to be outside and it's going to be hot and gross, and you don't want to have like a ton of eye makeup running down your face, because no matter what you use, if you do a really heavy eye look, it's gonna look rough by the end of the day in this weather. It just is. And just a soft pink lip to give it a little bit of pop. And of course, you can always trade that out for just a balm or a neutral if you don't want something that bright. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And if you haven't yet, please make sure to subscribe. I put up new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, typically between 4 and 6 o'clock Eastern Time. And you guys can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I am pretty much everywhere, and all the links for those are down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye.